If your mornings lack a little zing, here's a wake-up call you won't forget. Crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and the sound of waves gently crashing. You're in the Caribbean. Feel the thrill of adventure as the sun kisses your skin and the vibrant colors of paradise come alive. Ready to make this dream your reality? Become a digital nomad. The Caribbean awaits. Your next adventure starts now.
Today we are going to give you 5 good reasons to do it. Have you ever thought about quitting your 9-to-5 life? We are giving you 5 good reasons today why you should do it.
One of the biggest reasons to become a digital nomad is the freedom and flexibility that comes with it. Imagine choosing your own work hours and setting up your office wherever you want, whether it's a beach, a cozy cafe, or a cabin in the mountains. You control when and where you work.
Well, and when we talk about 5 reasons, then I have to say they kind of blend together. So it's not really 5 extreme different kinds of reasons. My second reason is
the opportunity to travel and experience new cultures while still making a living. Digital nomads get to see the world, live in new cities, and immerse themselves in different ways of life, all without giving up their income.
Reason number 3. Work independently and responsible for your own work.
Being a digital nomad pushes you to grow. You'll become more independent, learning to solve problems on your own and manage your time effectively. This lifestyle encourages personal growth and helps you develop a strong sense of responsibility.
the next reason is the work-life balance.
Digital nomadism can also help you achieve a better work-life balance. You can structure your day around both work and relaxation without the pressures of a traditional office setting. Need a break? Take a walk in a new city or relax by the beach.
Reason number 5. You are independent from offices.
Finally, digital nomads are free from the need to be in a specific office or location. As long as you have an internet connection, you can work from virtually anywhere. A cafe in Paris, a co-working space in Bali, or even from a van on the road.
As a summary,
I would say if you have the dream to work flexible and if you have the discipline also, that's a good point. That is the subject of the next video. How can you say that? The negative? No, not the flip side.
the flip side, yeah.
Yeah, the flip
There
side
is
of
a
this
flip
coin.
side, of course.
Yeah, but we want to talk next time. So if you like to work independent, if you like to have absolutely control about your life and everything, then it's a good thing.
We would be really interested in knowing what you guys think about that. Would that be something for you? Put it in the comments for us, please.
It will be awesome to see you in the next episode.